Cosmetic dentistry is incredible. We're the Cosmetic Dentistry Institute. We do cosmetic dentistry every single day. And why do we do it? Because we love helping our patients. We want our patients to become more confident. We want our patients to be excited about their smiles. We want our patients to love their smiles and not hold back smiling anymore. What is cosmetic dentistry? For many of our patients, it may be as simple as teeth whitening, or teeth whitening and replacing an ugly old front tooth crown, chipped teeth, worn teeth, discolored teeth, rotated teeth. In just 1 or 2 visits, our patients have the smile that they've always wanted. When we do veneers on a patient, they leave here that same day with a beautiful smile. So they can test it out and we can communicate to make sure we're giving them exactly what they want in their final veneers. It is life-changing dentistry, and we just love it. The most rewarding part of my job is getting that hug from a patient who has just looked in the mirror and seen their veneers, their new smile for the first time. That is so gratifying for me as a dentist, that I've really been able to help this person achieve what they've wanted for so long, a nicer, healthier smile.